Welcome to the mythical forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and we're freeze drying some fruit. We got the pears all prepared here, and we're going to do some cantaloupe, and we're going to put this in the freeze dryer and see what happens. Okay, we got the cantaloupe cut up. We're going to freeze it for 24 hours. We're going to try to do 2 trays of each, and then take it and put it in the freeze dryer and see how this turns out. Okay, I got them all cut, and normally, I don't know if you guys have ever seen a video that I've done in the past. This is like a for house sale kind of sign. Vinyl type of a, you know, those little signs you can buy at Home Depot or whatever. Beware of dog or a garage sale or whatever. And the reason I have it on this is because I've run out of the metal trays. I have them all filled up, and I need to get this in the freezer because they were getting overripe. So I just wanted to show you guys that I'm going to, it's nice and thin. It's not going to take up as much space. And I'm just going to put the aluminum foil and have it in there for a few days until I can free up some trays and then put them in the regular freeze dry trays to start freeze drying. I've got another session of freeze dry that I got to do first. So just wanted to show y'all that and share that with you. That's something that you can do if you run out of your trays. Okay, everybody, we got these pears frozen and ready to go on the freeze dry. I don't have my little videographer with me today. He's in the garden working on the irrigation system. And I'll be videoing that soon. So I'm going to put these on the trays. These are already pre-frozen on the trays. But this is the big platter that I made. And I'm going to put these on the trays and we'll get them in the freeze dryer. Okay, we got them on the trays. And now we're going to get in loading the freeze dryer. Okay, you guys. I forgot. I had 1 tray of cantaloupe. I thought they were all pears. So anyway, this one is pretty thick on here, so I may even take, maybe I'll take a few of those off and put them on this tray. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, we've got everything a little bit more evened out, and what I do is I take a wet rag and I wipe this seal down first real good to where it's kind of wet, because I feel like it gets a better seal. Sometimes I'll wipe the door down too, because you want a black rim. Nope, you see a black ring. See right here where it doesn't connect? That's not sealed good enough. So that's what you want to make sure, that you get a good enough seal. Sometimes you got to finagle with this little gasket. Let's see. Okay, now you see all the way that black rim right here is not. You see right here it's missing. We got to do that too. So I'm going to stop the camera and do that. Okay, we got it. Oh, the ring all the way around. I don't know if y'all can see very well, but it's a thick black darker ring that shows the seal. And now we're ready. I've had this going way too long. It's supposed to start for 15 minutes and it's been going for 43. So we're going to close the drain valve right here. Close it, and then we're going to hit continue. Here we go. Freezing. All right, so I am guessing this is going to take, how about, let me make a guess, 30 hours. Let's see. It's going to be, I believe, more than 24 hours. I'm going to say 30. Let's see what happens. Okay, everybody, I'm almost right on my guess. I said 30 hours, and it's 31 hours, a little over. So I've already stopped it, and I've already undone the I forgot what it's called, the pressure.
The valve.
Yeah, and so we're going to start pulling these out and get them out as quick as we can. and into the bags as soon as we can. And we'll show you when we get in the kitchen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit no defrost to save on electricity and just let it defrost. Oxygen absorber. So I'm going to keep just a little jar out for the week. And we'll tell y'all something about those jars. So if you're going to put it in a jar, you need to put it in a mason jar. Because if you put it in any jar like, oh, I have to reopen them anyway because I didn't label these. If you put them in a jar like this,
it don't work.
The moisture gets within days. Yeah. So you don't want to do that. I'm just going to do this because I'm going to eat this week. I'm just going to put a few in here. But in a few days, that'll already start to get. I'm gonna go get another bag. You know, pause it again. One more. Go ahead, I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna have to seal this up. This oxygen absorbing. Okay. Let's put these in. I can feel the moisture already coming in there. That one Buster can get. It dropped on the floor. That's when he's up all under my feet, hoping something will drop. All right, let's go over here and seal these up real quick.
What? That looks weird.
All right, let's see. What's this? So what I do is I like to try to push as much of the air out as possible and then seal it. So you can hear Buster chewing on his bone over there. And then, oh, I forgot to plug it in. It helps to plug it in. Oh, let me get that oxygen absorber and show you this first. So you want to seal this as quick as possible.
I raised it up.
Oh, now it's on a 10?
Yes.
And then you put this on 10. Uh-oh. And then just seal it like that. I seal it about 3 times. 3 or 4 times I go all the way up with it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get started on all these labeling and sealing. We'll let you go now. I just wanted to tell you guys about all that. This trays, some of them I didn't put the little rubber silicone mats. It doesn't matter. It helps keep things from sticking. But anyway, if you have any questions, leave comments. And we thank you for watching. And we have a lot of stuff in our playlist. We have a freeze-dry playlist. So it has every kind of freeze-dry that we've done on the playlist if y'all want to watch the playlist for other freeze-dry stuff. And then we have gardening and fertilizer and stuff about the chickens. And we have all kinds of fun stuff, even pranks on Boris. So y'all go and watch some of our playlists and see some of the stuff that we have. Thanks for watching. Okay, everybody, I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you how much water came out of the freeze dryer. And also I want to show you this. I keep my hose duct taped to the bucket. So you don't ever want this to get down here because when you open up the drain or open up the, I forget what that thing is called, the hissing thing.
Valve?
The valve. It will suck if you have any water in here into your freeze dryer thing and ruin everything. Water literally will come back up in here.
Make sure that it's empty when you turn off the valve.
Yes, but another safety precaution is to keep this taped up here so that it's not near there.
Yes.
Okay, but this is how much water was in those pears and cantaloupe. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Ooh. Look at that.
Exactly.
Watch out, Buster wants to drink it.
Whoa. Here, take it.
A whole pitcher full. Look at that.
Wow. And all those pears.
And the cantaloupe.
And the cantaloupe. We should put that water in the pear tree.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll be back from the pear tree. Okay, a little bit in the apple tree. And here's the pear tree. This one's alive. And a little bit in this pear tree that never lived. Hey, girls.